And Srila Prabhupada in his books, he gives some nice answers to different questions that are often posed about Shiva. So we can hear. The question is, if we're devotees of Krishna, how should we offer respect to Lord Shiva? Obviously we should respect him. And Chaitanya Bhagavat, Lord Chaitanya is saying that as much respect and love you show to the demigods, if you show respect and love to the demigods, then I will also bless you with love. It goes to that extent. But this is a purport to Bhagavatam 4:24-30. This is Rudra Gita. Prabhupada's giving a comment on Rudra Gita. So how should Krishna Bhaktas respect Lord Shiva? Srila Prabhupada said, Vaishnavanam yata Shambhu. Lord Shambhu Shiva is the best of all devotees. All devotees of Krishna are also devotees of Lord Shiva. In Vrindavan there is a Lord Shiva temple called Gopishwara. The gopis used to worship not only Lord Shiva but Katyayani, Durga as well. But their aim was to attain the favor of Lord Krishna. A devotee of Lord Krishna does not disrespect Lord Shiva, but he worships Lord Shiva as the most exalted devotee of Lord Krishna. Consequently, whenever a devotee worships Lord Shiva, he prays to Lord Shiva to achieve the favor of Krishna, and he does not request material profit. So this is what we pray to anyone for. Whether we go to a sannyasi or a Brahmin or a grandfather or grandmother, anyone superior to us in any way, we only pray for what we want. Usually you pray for what you want. If you're in lack of money, then you go to a wealthy person and pray for money. But devotees want Prem Seva of Radha Govinda. They want the eternal service of the divine couple, Krishna's eternal service. So we may worship Lord Shiva. Following the example of Lord Chaitanya, he went into different Shiva temples. Lingaraj Shiva and Bhuvaneshwar, he went there. Ekanamra. Throughout India he would visit in Shiv Kanchi. He visited different Shiva temples. Sometimes chant and dance in ecstasy in those temples. Chant Krishna Nam, Sankirtan. And he would be very pleased. Sometimes the worship was going on very nicely and he would be very pleased by that. So Prabhupada is saying whenever a devotee worships Lord Shiva, so he's saying that yes, devotees not only respect, it's not just passive respect that we may show to Lord Shiva. Yes, we bow our head, yes, Lord Shiva, there's a temple. We can actively go and worship Lord Shiva. As the gopis worship Lord Shiva, they actively worship Gopishwara with agrabati and deepam and datrifal and flowers and Jamuna water. But the important thing was, what was their sankalpa? What was their intention? Why were they worshipping Shiva? Why were they worshipping Katyayani? They were only worshipping that they could attain the association and service of Bhagavan Sri Krishna without any obstacles, or without any impediments. Because they know that Krishna wants their service and wants to be with them more than anything. So they're praying that please arrange for us to serve Krishna without impediment.